What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Trashy Fox back at it with an art grom video. Just got off of work today. Today was a nice, gorgeous day. I think it hit like 890 today on a good day, so got that going. My day was alright, you know. Just did some work. Worked on a couple cars today. Put together 2 cars, a Corolla and a Sentra. Not bad. It was pretty easy peasy stuff. And then went down to the used car department, worked on their cars. Touched up a 21 Explorer ST, and then I touched up a 17 F-150. Yeah, not bad. Like I said, 10 bucks per car, so maybe 20 bucks gas money. So it is all right, my dude. So gotta give these bikers the salute, the 2-finger salute, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know, but everybody else does it, so I do it, and I'm on a grom, so it is not bad. I love it when people give me a salute while I'm on the grom. But yeah, other than that, I hope your guys' day is going well. It's almost the weekend. Oh yeah, and another thing is they want me to cut grass at work now, so they got a brand new rider. So a good old Craftsman with a 15 horse, has a bigger CC motor on there than the grom. The grom only has a 125. I think the mower has a 500cc bike or motor onto it. I'm like, dang, fucking big. But yeah, not too bad. Gave it a test, went out, bought some gas for it, just a gallon of gas, filled it up actually, and just did it. So did a test patch onto it, and I liked it. It was nice. It's a lot better than the other mower that they had. So I like mowers, I like riders. Maybe I put a GoPro on a hat or something and do that. So some mower vlogging, even though you can't probably hear me because it's probably too loud. So miss shift, don't do that. I'm like, I'm still a beginner, been riding for 2 years, not the best rider, but you know what, I got my license, so now it's 25, doing 38. Car's right in my ass, if you could see that. Yeah, oh well. Oh man, I'm just ready to get home and relax. Can't wait for the weekend so I can actually do more vlogging and riding on the grom. That'd be something nice. So got a Mustang right there. Doing no hands. Been learning. I killed switched myself. God damn. I guess you guys never saw that, kill switching yourself. I am stupid. Alright, till next time guys, peace.